Okay, here we are. New car day for Sean. Let's go get a new car. Okay, so today we are going to get a new car for cousin Sean. He got rid of his Golf last week, or this week, the week just gone, a couple of days ago, I don't know. Got rid of his Golf, and he's going to pick up a Skoda VRS super duper, I don't know, it looks nice, so let's go get him, obviously get a McDonald's breakfast, and go get the car. I'm more excited about the Mackey's breakfast, not gonna lie, Sean.
So what model Skoda is it? VRS.
VRS. See, I said it's a VXS or something like that, yeah. Whew. I'll get that for you, mate. Good quality German engineering. That has to be the quickest inhale of a Mackey's breakfast I've ever had. I haven't had a Mackey's breakfast in yonks. Delightful. Literally, I'm still finishing it now. So we are at services just before Kiel, so Sandbach services, I think, and we are heading over to bollocks, where are we heading? Nottingham, yeah, near Nottingham for it. So hopefully the next video you see will be of the new car for Sean. So yeah.
Love you, bye. Love you, bye. It's nice, mate, but that's a proper car. It's an old car, but it's a proper car. Boom, so there it is, a VRS. Sean, how are we feeling on our new car day?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's all more grown up.
Does it go fast?
It goes fast, and it sounds nice.
But it's not as fast as the Golf.
No, no.
So how much to fill it?
Don't know. I'm gonna have to stop though, get some fuel.
Yeah, thought so.
Definitely gonna have to stop. So are we getting this Cooper S?
Look at the height difference.